one of the angles here is given as 100 degree. So I can say that since ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram should be equal. So I can say that angle B is equal to angle D, since they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So therefore I can say angle D, which is equal to Y, is equal to 100 degree. Now Y and Z, they are supplementary angles because they are adjacent to each other. So I can say Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, they add up to 180 degree. So Z must be equal to 180 minus Y, which is equal to 100. So Z is 80 degree. Now Z and X, they are opposite. So X is equal to Z because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So therefore X will be equal to 80 degree. So which implies the answers are X equal to 80, Y equal to 100 and Z is again 80. Second part. This exterior angle is marked as Z. This is Y. This is X. This is 50. Now again here, this is a parallelogram, so I can say the adjacent angles are supplementary. So 50 plus Y, this should be 180 degree, as they are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So Y must be equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree. Now X and Y are equal as they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So X is equal to also 130 degree. Now how can you find Z? We can find this angle first. This is equal to 50 because opposite angles. So if I mark it as, say, angle 1, this one angle I have marked as angle 1. So I can say 50 plus angle 1 is equal to 50 is equal to angle 1. Because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So opposite angles, and angle 1 plus Z, this is equal to 180 degree because they form a linear pair. So angle 1 and Z are equal to 180 degree each, are adding up to 180. So Z will be equal to 180 minus 1, that is 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree. So Z is 130, X is 130 and Y is also 130. ABCD. So angle and this point of intersection I'll mark as O. So angle BOC is 90 and angle AOD will be also equal to 90 since these two are vertically opposite angles. So angle BOC, this is 90 degree. This is already given to us. An angle AOD is equal to angle BOC is equal to 90, as they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, two lines intersect, then they will form vertically opposite angles. Now, if you consider this triangle AOD, here triangle AOD, x plus y plus 30, together they should add up to 180 degree. So I know the value of x, 90, I know 30 degree, the third angle y I can find out. Subtract 180 minus 90 minus 30. So that will give you the answer. So 60 degree. All of you also we have to find out. Now z and y will be equal because they are alternate interior angles. So z also will be 60 degree. Since these are opposite sides of a parallelogram, they are parallel to each other, and AC is the transversal. So all of you know the parallel line and transversal property. When two lines are parallel and a transversal intersects them, then pair of alternate interior angles will be equal. And since we know that ABCD is a parallelogram and two sides or opposite sides are parallel to each other, and AC, the diagonal, is one of the transversals. So therefore Z and Y are equal by that property.